Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, November 25th. The Zen story for today is titled The Fox Who Taught Zen. And this is going to be our last Zen story. I wanted to do the Zen series for maybe 20 days or 30 days, but then I see that it's our day 163. Oh my goodness. So I found so many more books on that. But I promise you this is going to be the last one for a while. Anyway, moving on. The fox who taught Zen. He had not seen the fox in weeks. No flick of tail in the grass. No paw prints on the porch. No bite marks on apples or laughter in the dark. The monk went about his day as usual, chopping wood, warming stew, sitting in the stillness. But something in the quiet had shifted. The silence no longer asked for listening. It simply was. One afternoon, walking down the hill toward the riverbed for fresh water, the monk saw someone in the field. A villager he'd passed once or twice before, gathering mushrooms with a practiced hand and a keen eye. She noticed him and straightened, brushing soil from her fingers. "Strange to see a monk this far out," she said, with no judgment. "You live nearby?" "I do. A cabin just over the ridge." "Ah," she nodded, then added with a curious smile, "Is it true what they say about that forest?" He tilted his head. "What do they say?" "That there is a fox who lives there, a clever one. Been there for generations. Plays tricks on monks. And so the old stories go." The monk blinked. "What kind of tricks?" She shrugged. "Depends on the monk. Some were annoyed, others got angry, a few left crying." The monk paused. "I know that fox." She looked at him. "Do you?" "Yes, I think I do." She smiled wider, as if something had just been confirmed. "Then I guess you're one of his students." The monk hesitated. "I don't know what he's teaching me anymore. I haven't seen him in weeks." The villager wiped her hands on her apron, then looked up at the clouds. "Well, that must be a new lesson then," she said simply. And with that, she picked up her basket and walked away. He stood there a long time after she left, watching the wind move through the tall grass, listening to the ordinary sounds of the forest. He didn't understand, but he did not resist the not knowing. That night, sitting by the fire, the monk remembered all the places the fox had shown up, all the moments of laughter, confusion, frustration, all the marks the fox had left, some visible, some not. He did not dream that night. The next morning, he packed his things and left. The stillness no longer needed to be filled. The questions could stay with no answer. As he stepped off the porch, a breeze lifted through the trees. In it, maybe, just maybe, he heard a laugh, but he did not look back. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What if nothing needs to happen for the moment to feel complete? What if nothing needs to happen for the moment to feel complete? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What if nothing needs to happen for the moment to feel complete? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a beautiful day. I will see you on Thursday.